Want to know the secrets to affiliate marketing success in 2024? In this video, we're diving into the top strategies and trends that are making affiliate marketers rich in the new year. From the latest products and services to the most effective marketing tactics, we're covering it all. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you won't want to miss this insider's look at what's working now in affiliate marketing. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start building your wealth in 2024. In 2024, affiliate marketing is projected to be worth over $17 billion globally, marking a growth of nearly 10% from the previous year. That's right, while other sectors are facing stagnation, affiliate marketing is booming, with businesses of every size pouring money into partnerships with affiliates. And it's not just about the money, this explosive growth reflects the real power of affiliate marketing to drive results. So, how are today's affiliate marketers making the most of this billion-dollar wave? Let's uncover the top strategies they're using to cash in big. Join me as I dive into the secrets of what's making affiliate marketers rich in 2024 and see if I can uncover the top strategies before everyone else. Affiliate marketing has become one of the hottest buzzwords in the online business space, and for good reason. The idea that you can earn a living by promoting other people's products and services is incredibly appealing, and in 2024, it's more popular than ever. With thousands of people jumping into this space every day, it's clear that something is working. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is that it's easy. That you can just throw up a website, slap some affiliate links on it, and voila, money starts rolling in. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. The reality is that most new affiliate marketers struggle to make even a single sale, let alone reach the thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars per month that the top marketers are earning. Another common issue is that people think affiliate marketing is all about selling. They think it's about pushing products down people's throats, using high-pressure tactics to get them to buy. But the truth is, the most successful affiliate marketers are the ones who focus on providing value, on building relationships with their audience, and on promoting products that truly solve problems. And then there's the myth that affiliate marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme. That you can just jump in, work for a few weeks, and suddenly be rolling in cash. Again, not true. Affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and patience. It takes building an audience, creating valuable content, and consistently promoting high-quality products. Despite all the challenges, many affiliate marketers are still crushing it in 2024. So, what's their secret? What are they doing differently that's allowing them to succeed where others fail? One of the biggest trends I've seen is the rise of influencer marketing. Top affiliate marketers are partnering with influencers in their niche to promote products to their massive followings, and it's working like a charm. Another strategy that's really taking off is the use of webinars. By hosting live webinars and promoting products to their attendees, affiliate marketers are able to build trust, establish authority, and drive sales like crazy. And let's not forget about the power of email marketing. Building an email list and promoting products to that list is still one of the most effective ways to earn big as an affiliate marketer. Here, we want to share a bit about our channel and our goals with all of you. At Smart Wealth Education, our mission is to empower those starting their journey in entrepreneurship and online business, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills. We're here to provide the knowledge, tools, and support you need to grow and succeed. Let's make this a space where we learn, support each other, and reach new heights together. If you're finding these insights valuable and want to stay updated with the latest strategies in affiliate marketing and online business, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. But what's really interesting is the rise of affiliate marketers who are focusing on specific niches, like gaming or personal finance. By targeting a specific audience and promoting products that are laser-targeted to their needs, these marketers are able to stand out in a crowded space and earn big. So, what's the secret to success in affiliate marketing in 2024? In my opinion, it comes down to one thing: creativity. The top affiliate marketers are the ones who are willing to think outside the box, to try new things, and to take risks. They're not afraid to spend money on ads, to invest in their audience, or to try new strategies. And that's what sets them apart from the rest. Affiliate marketing is an incredible opportunity for those who are willing to put in the work. By focusing on providing value, building relationships, and promoting high-quality products, you can build a thriving business that earns you a real income. So, if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, don't give up. Keep pushing forward, keep trying new things, and most importantly, keep providing value to your audience. What do you think is the biggest misconception about affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to succeed in this space, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights. Let's dive straight into the tactics that are creating wealth for affiliate marketers in 2024. First, it's all about niche mastery. Instead of promoting everything, affiliate marketers are honing in on specific sub-niches. For instance, in finance, instead of just investment, they're focusing on areas like green investing or crypto security. This laser-focused approach not only attracts a targeted audience but also boosts conversions because people feel the content speaks directly to their needs. Then, we have AI-driven personalization. By using AI, marketers are creating customized experiences for each visitor. Imagine you land on a website about skincare. AI analyzes your browsing history, behavior, even demographics, then shows the products most likely to suit you. This type of experience, tailored to the individual, massively increases conversion rates. And with tools like ChatGPT plugins or Jasper AI, creating these personalized experiences is easier than ever. Let's talk about community building. Affiliate marketers in 2024 are creating exclusive communities. They're building private Facebook groups, Telegram channels, or even Discord servers for followers who want more engagement. In these spaces, members get exclusive content, product recommendations, and early bird access to deals. These communities build trust, and when people trust you, they're far more likely to click on your links and purchase the products you recommend. Video content is still king, but it's evolving. Short-form videos, especially on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, are getting great results. Marketers are making quick, engaging content that answers a question or solves a problem in 30 seconds. These bite-sized videos hook the audience quickly, and with a compelling call to action, they convert like crazy. Leveraging high-ticket affiliate programs is another powerful tactic. Instead of earning a small commission from low-cost products, affiliate marketers are promoting more expensive products with significant payouts. High-ticket items, like premium software subscriptions, online courses, or luxury products, offer commissions that can add up quickly, allowing them to reach financial goals faster with fewer sales. Influencer partnerships are also trending, but not in the traditional sense. Marketers are teaming up with micro-influencers who have smaller but super engaged audiences. These influencers are often experts in niche topics, which means their followers already trust their opinions. By partnering with them, affiliate marketers gain access to an engaged audience that's more likely to follow recommendations. AI content generation is game-changing for scaling efforts. With tools like Jasper or OpenAI, affiliate marketers are creating high-quality blog posts, product reviews, email sequences, and social posts in minutes. This tech allows them to pump out content that drives traffic from multiple channels at a fraction of the time it used to take. Now, data is the game changer. The most successful marketers are using advanced analytics to understand what's working and what's not. They're tracking everything: clicks, conversions, customer journeys, and adjusting strategies based on the data. They're investing in analytics tools to track user behavior, refine their targeting, and ultimately maximize their profit potential. Finally, they're not relying on just one platform. Instead, they're building traffic sources across multiple channels. This includes SEO-optimized blogs, social media, email lists, and even text messaging. If one platform changes its rules, they still have a stream of visitors from other sources. In 2024, affiliate marketers are thinking smarter, not harder. They're using technology, niching down, and building relationships with their audience. That's how they're raking in profits and setting the stage for lasting success in the affiliate marketing world. With Black Friday and the New Year right around the corner, if you're looking for unbeatable deals on your favorite products, make sure to join SWE Official on TikTok. We're sharing the best offers to help you save big. And for those serious about building a successful online business, head over to our Patreon for in-depth training and resources that will level up your journey. Don't miss out, follow SWE Official and join us on Patreon for all the tools, tips, and deals you need to thrive. If you're enjoying this content and want to help others kickstart their online business, please like, subscribe, and share it with those who could benefit. Sharing is caring, and together we can help more people reach their goals. Let's build a supportive community and grow our success together. If you're ready for more insights and strategies, don't miss the next video. It's packed with tips to take your online business to the next level. Click over and let's keep building your success.